All right, guys, here we go. Thursday, June 17th. And right quick, we're going to take 1,000 share on margin position on the current green candle. The one where the red arrow is, it closed over the 20. Potential reversal candle with this bottoming tails. He made a low, higher low. Hold on. As soon as we cross that blue dash line, we'll take that position, but I wanted to show you what set it up first. That's why that red arrow is there. And then if we take out the bottom of this previous candle, then that'll be our stop loss. Okay, but and it's really, I'm really surprised. It's AMC. I'm sorry, I don't think I told you what the stock was. It's AMC here, and normally it's just blowing and going. Really kind of bewildered and let down. It hadn't either blown to the upside or reversed here, but we're kind of a neutral position. We have 2 more minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Each candle is 5 minutes of price action, and of course, if we take out the low of this previous candle, and obviously close under the 20, then we'll look for downside, more downside of the price action. We'll go short at that point, but we 1,000 shares long on margin or 1,000 shares short on margin. Here we go. Let's see. Got about a minute 50. See, it's just real tight consolidation in there right now. About a minute 40. So let me put you on pause, and then closer to the to the end of the candle life here, another minute or so, then we'll get you. Well, it's going lower, so let's see what happens here. Okay, let me go ahead and put you on pause so that this tape's not an hour long. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. We're back. Got about less than 30 seconds to go. So this might be the one we're looking for, unless it's a little head fake here, but we'd like for it to go through. See how it's just holding right here? See that little wick into it? I don't know if I could pull that in. That's what we need to pierce. Well, even if we close under there, that'll be a little bit more positive indication. They may be. Here we go. All right, we're just going to go ahead and take a short position right here. Actually, we got in up there. Okay, so we're 1,000 shares on short. We're looking for a push to the downside. Yeah, well, that's fine. It ended up maybe helping me out. Just always do just a market buy, market sell, whatever, side of the trade. And there's only about 1 or 2 pennies difference between the bid and the ask. So in this case, when I hit on the app, hit the short, to go short, it actually put me up here. So actually that messed up and actually helped me out a little bit. So where we're going to go, okay, we're going to look, because you got to call it before it goes there. This low pivot zone right here, potential support down here around 52.80 or so. So we'll try that. And then I'm just going to get out real quick, just in and out here. Hopefully I can do it within the next, few minutes. In fact, let me go to the 2-minute chart. That's probably I think I missed it down here. Tell you what, if we retest the bottom of this candle, I'll go ahead and get out. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get out. Okay, we're done. Now let me see. Yeah. Okay, let me see if that was the right decision or not. We'll just stay here. Got another minute to go. Let's see. Yeah, got another minute to go. But anyway, oh, yeah, we might have done. Yeah, the way this thing moves, you just got to be in and out like in a heartbeat. But just because it's pushing to the upside again doesn't mean, it's going to continue that way. But All right, well, that's okay. That's enough of an adrenaline rush for this morning. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take our money. Thank you, AMC. We were on the right side, you know, of the trade this morning, and how we set it up was like I was telling you, we were kind of consolidation. We really thought we were going to go long because we closed two candles above the 20. Generally, that's a good sign you're going to keep pushing to the upside. And then we look at this high pivot, to take profit there. And then, we closed this one under the 20s, so it was more of a bearish sentiment. You know what I mean? The odds are you're going to, roll to the downside. And that's what we did. And then it came right into this low pit. It didn't actually hit it down here because it's really a little bit lower. But then we switched to the 2-minute chart. I was like, I don't know, it just a sixth sense. I don't have how to explain it. But anyway, we began to form a little doji indecision candle. And then when that happens, a lot of times you get a push to the upside or the opposite direction, whether you're up here and it pushes the downside or vice versa. So anyway, we just pulled the trigger and got out, and it clocked us out just over $53 there. So not a bad couple of 3 minutes there. All right, well, thank you for watching the entire video. And we will see you on the charts.